morning, sir. This is our report. SDG9 is Industry, Innovation, and Infrastructure. So, what is industry, innovation, and infrastructure? So, this one is a focuses on driving sustainable economic growth by enhancing infrastructure and promoting inclusive industrialization and fostering innovation. Industry, innovation, and infrastructure refers to the development and improvement. So, objectives. So, our objectives: build resilient and inclusive infrastructure. So, this means investing in resilient infrastructure helps communities withstand natural disasters, support economic and activity, and reduces inequality by connecting people to jobs, education, and healthcare. So, this development include transportation, energy, and communication systems that are reliable and accessible to all, especially in rural and underserved areas. So, next, second is promote sustainable and inclusive industrial growth. So, this one is encourage eco-friendly manufacturing practices and support small and medium-sized enterprises. So, inclusive industrial growth means ensuring that all groups, especially women, youth, and marginalized community, have opportunities to participate in industrial activities, contributing to a more balanced and sustainable economy. Third and last one, the boost innovation and technology development. So this one is the innovation in a catalyst for solving global challenges, clean energy, health, agriculture, and more. Technological advancement also improve productivity and can open new markets and industries, particularly in developing countries. So next, our motivation. So our motivation number one is, why is technology important for a country's development? So paun sa man gyud ay siya ka-importante. So, technology helps improve productivity, healthcare, education, and communication. It drives innovation, creates jobs, and boosts the company. So, example of this is the digital farming tool. Help farmer monitor crops, increasing food production and income. So, okay. Second, motivation is, what modern infrastructure can you see in your surroundings? So, this infrastructure includes, example of this is the roads, bridges, internet access, clean water system, and public transformation. This make daily life easier and support business of social services. Also, another example of this is the Wi-Fi in school. So, we have Wi-Fi in school. Helps students access information and learn more effectively. So, last is how we can contribute to innovation even as a student. So, how? We can solve problems through creativity, learn about science and technology, join innovation contests, and use digital tools for schools or community projects. So for me, SDG9, Industry, Innovation, and Infrastructure. It has a 8 target of SDG9 serve as a roadmap to build a better future through strong foundation, supporting industries, and encouraging innovation that benefits everyone, not just the wealthy or development countries. So my insight about this is, the goal is not just about building roads or factories, it's about ensuring access, reducing inequality, and protecting the environment while boosting economic progress. By investing in smart, inclusive, and sustainable solutions, we can empower communities, increase job opportunities, and drive long-term. So example of this is Providing rural areas with the internet access help the bridges the digital divide, allowing students to learn, business to grow, and local innovation to thrive.
So, good morning, sir. My name is Marjorie V. Maglinaw, the continuation of report of Shanine. So, build resilient infrastructure, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization, and foster innovations. So, the targets everyone can help to make sure that we meet the global goals. Use these 8 targets can create actions to build resilient infrastructures, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization, and foster innovation. So, the first target is develop sustainable, resilient, and inclusive infrastructures. Develop quality, reliable, sustainable, and resilient infrastructures, including regional and trans-border infrastructure, to support economic development and human well-being, with a focus on affordable and equitable access for all. So, this goal focuses on building high-quality infrastructure like roads, electricity, water system, and internet. Infrastructure support economic growth and improve quality of life by making easier for people to access jobs, market, education, and healthcare. For target 9.2, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization. Promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization, and by 2030 significantly rise industries, shares, and employment and gross domestic product in line with national circumstances and its shares in less developed countries. So, industrialization means developing industry like manufacturing, constructions, and technology. This goal aims to create jobs, clean technologies, and reduce pollution, boost the economy by increasing industries' contribution to GDP. By 2030, the goal is to double such as industrial contribution in less development countries. In target 9.3, increase access to financial service and markets. Increase the access of small-scale industrial and other enterprises, in particular in developing countries, to financial services, including affordable credit and their integration into value chain and markets. So, this goal focuses on helping small businesses, especially in developing countries, get the support they need to grow. For target 9.4, upgrade all industries and infrastructures for sustainability. By 2030, upgrade infrastructures and profit-rich industries to make them sustainable with increased resource use of efficiency and greater adoption of clean and environmentally sound technology and industrial process, with all countries taking action accordance with their respective capabilities. So this goal is about making existing infrastructures like roads, factories, power plants, and industry like manufacturing, constructions, energy more eco-friendly. The aim of this balanced economic growth with environmental protection, ensuring that development today does not harm future generation. So that's all.
So, target 9.5, enhance research and upgrade industrial technologies. So, enhance research and upgrade industrial technologies. This goal aims to strengthen science, technology, and innovation by increasing investment in research and development, upgrading technological capabilities in industries, especially in developing countries. The goal is to make industries more competitive, innovative, and sustainable, leading to long-term economic growth and development. So, target 9.6, facilitate sustainable infrastructure development for developing countries. This goal is helping developing countries build sustainable and resilient infrastructure like roads, energy system, water supply, and communication network by providing financial support, technological support, and technical support. So, target 9.7, support domestic technology is, this goal aims to help developing countries growth stronger, more diverse economies by supporting home growth, technology research, and innovation, creating good policies and environments that encourage local inventors, scientists, and entrepreneurs. The last is Target 9.8. Universal access to information and communication technology. So, Target 9.8, this goal focuses on ensuring that environment, especially in vast developed countries, LDGs, has affordable access to modern digital technologies, especially the internet. Access to ICT is essential for modern development in area like healthcare, education, banking, and government services. So that's all.